Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Amazon key and delivery notifications to new profile, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer Amazon key and delivery notifications to a new profile, start by signing into your Amazon account. Open the Amazon app or website on your device. Navigate to the Account and Lists section in the top right corner. Select your account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Your Devices and Content option. Click on your devices to view a list of your registered devices. Locate the device associated with your current profile. Select the device to access its settings. Look for the option that says Manage Your Content and Devices. Next, click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. Under the Settings menu, find Amazon Key and click on it. Check if there are any devices linked to your current key settings. To transfer, select the option for Change Account or Transfer Settings. Sign into your new profile using your email and password. Follow the prompts to link your Amazon key to the new profile. Once linked, confirm that the settings have transferred accurately. Now, check your notification settings for delivery updates. Navigate back to your account and select Notifications. Ensure your delivery notifications are enabled under the new profile. Finally, test the setup by placing a small order to verify notifications are received. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.